We have always assumed that if we set foot on another planet in the universe, the high gravity, extreme temperature, high pressure, and toxic atmosphere would destroy us within minutes. We wouldn't be able to survive there. But what if I told you that there are planets in the universe where the environment wouldn't just not harm you but would actually improve your health to the point that you'd feel like you might have gained superpowers? And I'm not even kidding. Recently, scientists have discovered several habitable planets that, in many ways, are much better than Earth. Life on these planets could evolve very rapidly and for a much longer duration. So, what are these planets? Let's find out today. As you know, Earth is the only planet where simple life forms to complex organisms capable of surviving in extreme environments have evolved and continue to evolve. Seeing this, we often consider Earth to be a unique planet. But many researchers believe that there could be several other planets whose environments are even more favorable than Earth's. However, because we live on Earth, we often focus on finding Earth-like planets instead of looking for better ones, which is totally wrong. On October 5, 2020, a new mission was initiated by astrobiologist Dirk Schulze-Makuch from Washington State University and the Technical University of Berlin. Through this mission, they targeted planets that are, in every way, better than Earth. And you won't believe it, they did find such planets. Not just one or two, but 24 superhabitable planets. Schulze-Makuch and his team created a list of criteria to identify these planets. If a planet did not meet the criteria, it was not considered superhabitable. This was a simple way of filtering planets. Now, tell me, what are the most essential factors for any life to survive? A suitable temperature, a good atmosphere, water, and a large land surface area, right? Keeping these factors in mind, the team established their criteria. The first criterion was the age of the host star. Normally, when exploring exoplanets, scientists focus on yellow dwarf stars like our Sun. But this time, Schulze-Makuch's team also targeted orange dwarf stars, which are cooler, dimmer, and less massive. The main advantage of these stars is their lifespan. Yellow dwarfs have a lifespan of about 10 billion years, while orange dwarfs live 2 to 5 times longer, 20 to 50 billion years. This means that any life evolving in these planetary systems could have 2 to 3 times longer to evolve than on Earth. However, this doesn't mean the stars should always be much older, as planetary interiors eventually cool, losing geothermal energy in magnetic fields over time. The second criterion was water. Once a proper planetary system is identified, the first task is to measure the distance between the planet and its host star. This helps determine whether the planet lies within the habitable zone, indicating the potential presence of water. The third criterion was the size and mass of the planet. According to research, a planet's mass and size can significantly influence the evolution of life. The concept is simple: the larger the size, the larger the habitable surface area. Additionally, a planet with more mass would have stronger gravity, potentially creating a thicker and more stable atmosphere. However, the planet's mass should be only 1.5 to 2 times that of Earth. This ensures the planet's interior remains heated for a longer time, maintaining a molten core that supports a protective magnetic field for a longer duration, thereby increasing the chances of life evolving. The next crucial criterion was temperature. This is obvious because a planet with extreme temperatures would be difficult for life to survive on. Scientists focus on planets with an average surface temperature 5 degrees Celsius higher or lower than Earth's. This is because tropical regions on Earth, where many microbes thrive, have extreme temperatures. Considering these factors, scientists successfully observed 24 exoplanets. Among them, they found 2 superhabitable planets with surface temperatures and atmospheres significantly better than Earth's. These planets are K5715 P0 and K55 4.01. According to scientists, these 2 planets have every possible feature necessary for life as we know it to evolve. The first planet, K5715 P0, has a surface temperature 2.4 degrees Celsius lower than Earth's. Its mass is 7 times that of Earth, and its size is 8 times larger, meaning it has a larger land surface area. Due to its higher mass, its gravity is also stronger, resulting in a stable atmosphere. Based on the distance between the host star and the planet, scientists estimate an abundant presence of water resources. The second planet, K55 4.01, has a surface temperature of around 27 degrees Celsius, perfect for human survival. Interestingly, due to tectonic plate movements on this planet, a continuous nitrogen cycle is active. As we know, nitrogen is essential for Earth, as it converts into multiple chemical forms through biochemical processes, such as amino acids, proteins, and even DNA. This also helps clean up the environment. The more nitrogen, the faster the ecosystem evolves, indirectly purifying the atmosphere. However, since these planets were detected recently, detailed information is not yet available. Research using the James Webb Space Telescope is ongoing. Apart from these two, there are other planets that are more habitable than Earth, not extremely, but significantly. Let's look at some of these planets. The first is LHS 1140, a very self-sustaining planet. This planet was discovered on April 20, 2017, during the M-Earth project using the transit method. The M-Earth project is a robotic laboratory that observes the brightness of red dwarf stars to find transitioning planets, planets that pass in front of red dwarfs. Red dwarfs are small, so if a planet passes in front of them, it covers a larger portion. This method was used to discover this planet. After discovery, the surface of this planet was studied, revealing that its iron-nickel core covers 75% of its landmass in the form of lava. Interestingly, beneath this hot lava landmass, scientists found water, indicating a significant presence of water under the landmass. This suggests the possibility of an underground water world. Its massive size also supports a greenhouse effect, maintaining a good balance in the atmosphere. Another highly habitable planet is Luton B, so intriguing that scientists have even sent messages to search for extraterrestrial life there.